Today's Gospel describes the story of the Annunciation, and we are now on the 5th day of our Simbang Gabi. Like Mary in today's Gospel, we are all invited to be pregnant with Jesus. That is to say, to carry His presence through faith, through patience, kindness, and obedience. In Tagalog, what I'm trying to say is this: sana magbuntis tayo o mabuntis tayo at ang batang ating isisilang ay si Jesus. To be pregnant of Jesus, this means nurturing Christ within us through prayer instead of rushing, through forgiveness instead of resentment, honesty instead of compromise, and love instead of indifference. But friends, brothers and sisters, pardon me to use this word, but please, never abort Jesus in your life. Like Mary, give birth Jesus in you. To give birth of Jesus does not mean perfection, but perseverance of our faith. Refusing to push God away when His teachings challenges us. When faith demands sacrifice, or when goodness becomes inconvenient. Let Jesus be born in us by giving Him space in your heart, by giving Him time in your schedules and room in your decisions. But friends, when we welcome Christ and allow Him to grow in us, our words soften, our action change, we will inspire other people, and our lives quietly proclaim that nothing is truly impossible with God. Sana mabuntis tayo o magbuntis tayo at ang batang ating isisilang ay si Jesus. Never abort Jesus in your life. Give Him a place to stay. Amen.